Hello students, so we are doing exercise 5.7 question 11. Okay. If this is given, you have to prove this. Okay. So we need here y double dash. Y dash is 5 minus sin x derivative, then y double dash again minus 5 we can write outside, sin x derivative is cos x minus sin x. Okay. Substitute this in this equation. So this is your LHS plus y, this is 0, which is RHS. Okay. Next question, y equal to cos inverse of x is given. You have to find d square y by dx square, that is double derivative. So y dash is minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Y double dash, you have to find root of derivative of this. So you can use here u by v rule. Okay, minus I am keeping outside. So derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of this thing is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square into 2 into derivative of minus x square into this one, okay, upon the whole square. So minus minus plus 2 gets cancelled. Into this root and square gets cancelled. So we'll get here 1 minus x square. So this is raised to half and this is 1. So 1 plus half is 3 by 2. Okay. Now if you want this answer in terms of y, okay, then you can take this. Okay. So your x is cos of y. So you can put this in this formula. So we can write this as cos y 1 minus cos square y raised to 3 by 2. So this is 1 minus cos square y sin square y raised to 3 by 2. So sin square y means this is raised to square. So that square and this 2 gets cancelled. You will get here sin cube. Okay. So cos y upon sin y is cot y and remaining thing is 1 upon sin cube. So this is not sin cube, sin square. So this is cos x square y. Okay. And there was minus. Next question is, if you have y this, you have to show this. So y1 and y2 are the derivatives. This is first derivative, this is second derivative. So y dash of this is 3 minus sine log x into derivative of log x 1 by x. 4 cos log x derivative of log x 1 by x. Okay. Again differentiating. So this is u by v. Minus 3 you can keep outside. Okay. U is this. So derivative of u cos log x into 1 by x into x minus derivative of x is 1. So this is sine log x, okay, on x square. This x gets cancelled. Okay. Then you have to write derivative of this. So this is plus, I'll write here, plus 4 cos log x is minus sin log x into 1 by x minus 1 into cos log x on, here into x will be there. That gets cancelled. X square. Okay. So we are getting, I'll write it. Okay, we want this also, right? We have to substitute this thing here. So I'll write this as, this will be whole divided by x square. Okay. Minus 3 cos log x minus sin log x minus 4. The whole minus was outside, so this will be plus. And also the 3 was outside, so this will be plus 3. Here it was 4 outside. And here we got minus. So minus 4 minus 4. Okay. So we can add this and this term. Minus 4 plus 3. So this will be minus 1. And minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 7. So we can cut this. Okay. So we can substitute this in this equation. So this will be a bigger equation. I'll write it here only. That is x square. We have to multiply for this. No, for this. And x we have to multiply for this. And plus we have to add this y. Okay. So here common thing is x. This x gets cancelled with this x and x square gets cancelled with this x square. Then we get minus 3 sin log x minus 3 sin log x minus 1 sin log x. So minus 4 sin log x and this plus 4 sin log x. Then 4 cos log x plus 3 cos log x is 7 and this is minus. So we'll get RHS, that is 0. Okay. So here y is given. We have to show this equation. Okay, prove this equation. So we need y dash and double dash also. M a e raised to mx and b e raised to nx. M square a e raised to mx n square b e raised to nx. Okay. So substituting here, that is in the LHS, e raised to mx b e raised to nx minus n plus n y dash plus mn into y. n square a e raised to mx, n square b e raised to nx, mn a e raised to mx. This gets multiplied to this and also to this. So we'll get one more term, that is minus mn b e raised to nx and minus nm e a e raised to mx. Okay, and the last terms, it is mn a e raised to mx plus mn b e raised to nx. So this and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. So all are getting cancelled, so you will get 0. Okay. Next question. So here y is given, you have to show this, that is d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. Y dash is 500 into 7 e raised to 7x minus 600 into 7 e raised to 7x minus 7x. Then y double dash is 500 into 49 e raised to 7x plus 600 into 49 e raised to minus 7x. Okay. So we have to show that d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. That is y double dash is equal to 49y. So we can take that 49y this side. So it will be y double dash minus 49y equal to 0. So taking RHS, 500 into 49 e raised to 7x plus 600 into 49 e raised to minus 7x minus 49 into that thing, that is 500 e raised to 7x, y you have to multiply. So this is automatically getting cancelled, so it is 0. Okay. Next question. Now this is implicit function. So we have to write it in terms of y. Okay. And we have to show this. Now these things are two different things. Okay. This is double derivative. That is second derivative. And this is first derivative is multiplied 2 times. That is square of the first derivative. Okay. So we can write this as e raised to y equal to 1 upon x plus 1, taking log both the sides. So log e raised to y means this is y log e. Log e is 1. So we will get y equal to log of 1 upon 1, 1 plus x. Okay. Now the derivative. 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x. So this is using u by v, 0 minus 1 on 1 plus x the whole square. So this will go in the numerator, minus, so minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, y double dash minus you keep outside, taking u by v, so minus into minus plus. Okay, so if you multiply this twice, that is y dash into y dash. Okay, and write it here. That is squaring. you'll get 1 upon 1 plus x the whole square, which is your d square y by dx square. Last question. Y equal to tan inverse of x the whole square. We have to show that x square plus 1 the whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2. So y1 and y2 means you have to find first derivative and second derivative. So y dash is 2 tan inverse of x into derivative of tan inverse of x. Okay. Y double dash 2 you can take outside. This is u by v. So u dash is 1 upon 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square minus derivative of this 2x into tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square the whole square. This gets cancelled. So putting in this equation, that is RHS x square plus 1 the whole square into 2 1 minus 2x tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square the whole square plus 2x into x square plus 1 into 2 tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. This is first derivative. Okay. This gets cancelled. You will get 2 minus 4x tan inverse of x. 2x square plus 1. This also gets cancelled. So 4x you will get here. So this and this gets cancelled and you get 2, which is our RHS. Sorry, this is our LHS, left hand side.